Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach ribbon to a cake drum or cake board. Some people call it a cake board, but it's actually a cake drum. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I've decorated the top with some contact paper. You can watch a video on how to do this by clicking the link above. So the first step to getting your ribbon is to choosing the ribbon. Of course, whatever size you measure this part. You can even take it to a cake decorating store or even a fabric shop, and you can take your board with you and then you see which one goes well with your board. Okay, so I've got this red one. I'm going to go around my board before sticking anything on to see how much ribbon I need. So I need about this much. Let me turn this around. Okay, about this much. Okay, I need to cut it off there. Slightly more. Some people use glue sticks, but I've tried to use glue sticks and it doesn't stay on for long. So I'm going to use some double-sided tape. So I've got the length of the ribbon that I need. And now I'm going to get tape the same size as the ribbon. Okay, so this is double-sided tape. So it's sticky here. And then this is the backing, which you peel off after you put it on the board. So you have to be very careful so that the tape doesn't fold. Good thing my tape is exactly the same size as my ribbon. Go along, straightening my ribbon. Another thing people use are hot glue sticks. So if you've got a hot glue gun, you can use it as well. Okay, so you can be quite tricky to find the beginning of the tape and the backing here. So I've got it now. Okay, and you just peel it off. Just drag it off. Like that. So now this is sticky. You don't want to handle it much, otherwise it loses its stickiness. So now I've got my cake drum there. And stick the ribbon on. I'll leave it here because it's going to come and slightly overlap there. Do it tightly, stretch it as much as you can. Okay. And there. Okay. I didn't leave much to overlap, which is fine. You can leave it exactly as it is. And then some people put bows, so you could actually attach a bow here just to cover that part. And that's it. Nice and simple. If you want to, you can also fold your ribbon over like that, but you don't have to. If it's slightly overlapping and it's annoying you, you can slightly fold it over. Or you can just trim off your ribbon, because the ribbon could be slightly bigger. So you can get a craft knife or a razor blade and cut it off, but it's not really necessary. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.